What is up guys, my name is Chase and today is a very exciting day. We're gonna be unboxing a box. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I mean, you guys have read the title by now, let's get into it. This is my iPhone 14. Even the shipping box they use is like very premium, I love it. Wow, ta-da! There's the iPhone 14. Wow. OMG. I'm actually pretty hyped. I'm pretty hyped about this. So not only are we going to be unboxing the iPhone 14, we also have the Apple clear MagSafe case. So let's do this, shall we? I'm very excited. So we have some pull tabs here on the back. So satisfying. Ta-da! Wow! Wow! Look at the blue, it looks so good. The blue looks so good this year. I'm so excited about that. So let's take out the phone. Do we get Apple stickers? Heck yeah. Well, I mean, we have Apple sticker. We love to see it, love to see it. Let's see what kind of paperwork they're putting in this time. Oh, so there's this little card with the iPhone this year. It says, you no longer need a physical SIM card. Activate your eSIM during iPhone setup. So yeah, the iPhone 14s now have eSIM, and I believe that is in the US only. So no longer are the days of SIM cards. And then of course, we get our little Lightning to USB-C cable. Alright, so that's everything that is in the box. Of course, we also have the actual phone here. Wow. I like that they're doing this nowadays. They put little like symbols of what all the buttons do. Let's get our iPhone all naked here. Wow. So as I said, I have been using the iPhone 12 for 2 years now, and I'm not gonna lie, I love my iPhone 12. In fact, I would still probably be using the iPhone 12 this year if it wasn't for the fact that I only got 128 gigabytes for the iPhone 12, which is like my biggest regret in life ever, because I filled up this 128 gigabyte iPhone 12 so fast. So this time I learned from my mistakes. I got the iPhone 14 in blue, 256 gigabytes. So ideally, this iPhone 14 will hopefully last me for at least the next 2 or 3 years. Anywhoozos, how about let's turn on the phone? Let's get the first boot up here. Oh my goodness. Wow. We have an Apple logo. I thought it was gonna be an Android logo. So since I have been using the iPhone 12 for the last 2 years, I never got to have any of the benefits of the iPhone 13, which is nice for this iPhone 14 because now, not only do I get all of the cool features from the iPhone 14, but I also get the cool features from the iPhone 13 as well, so it's a win-win for me. So right off the bat, the things that we will notice between the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 14, the notch is actually smaller on the iPhone 14, and now the speaker is actually up all the way at the top. It's not actually in the notch. Whereas with the iPhone 12, the speaker is inside of the notch. I think that's what makes it so thick. Alright, anyway, let's start this thing up. Should we transfer everything from the iPhone 12? I've kind of been wanting to do a fresh, clean slate start with my iPhone 14. I guess while we're deciding what to do, let's open up the MagSafe case. This time I went with the clear case. I don't know, I thought I'd switch it up. I have the blue case for my iPhone 12, but this time I went with the clear one. I don't know. Wow. It's clear. There's the inside of the case. I guess we'll pop this on in case I somehow manage to drop it during this video. And it fits pretty nicely on there. We'll see if I stick with this. I just realized it's not my favorite thing in the world when cases have this cutout on the bottom. I honestly don't like that. I really don't like that actually. Anywhoozos, let's start this. We'll just start manually for now. So right now it's asking me for my phone number. Looking at it now, I really don't like this case. Oh no. I'm sorry, Apple. Like, you know, it's great to have a case for your phone, but I love actually seeing the phone. By the way, I will be making a bunch of videos about the iPhone 14. I want to do a camera test. I want to do a gaming test. So we'll be doing a bunch of videos, but also feel free to let me know in the comments what kind of videos you guys would want to see about the iPhone 14. Alright, right now it is activating the eSIM. Cellular setup complete. The iPhone 14s now have some new emergency SOS settings. Welcome to iPhone. Wow. Oh yeah, also this phone is now running iOS 16, but I guess that's where we'll wrap up this video. We have the iPhone 14 all set up here, ready to go. I'm excited to do some tests. I'm excited to, you know, get all up in this phone. Let me know in the comments which iPhone 14 model you guys went with. If you want to hear more about the differences between the iPhone 14 and the iPhone 14 Pro, check out the video below. For now, thank you so much for watching. My name is Chase and I will see you guys again soon. Bye.